Come on with us. Let's go fishing. We're at Ortona Lock Dam. We are on the west side of the Caloosahatchee. Go see if anybody's fishing. I'm doing a comprehensive tour of the Army Corps of Engineers Ortona campground. Now I know there's a gator. There's a guy in the boat, dangerously close to the undertow. You got handicapped way, and you got steps that you don't want to fall down way. Now we know for a fact, because we've been here before, otter lives around here. And if you're walking around, if you cross that bridge right there, where these birds are, you'll see some rocks with a bunch of clamshells by them, and that's where the otter's been cracking his lunch. I do not see him right now, although there was a couple birds there. So this is fishing pier number 1, and I've seen him pull in some pretty decent fish here. Got a bit of current. That is the dam, and the lock is next to us. Okay, so that concludes our fishing pier picture. There's a gray bird there. He's being sneaky. I think he's looking for lizards. Okay, we're gonna continue on.